Stop by and take a look at the 2015 X5. The BMW X5 is an award-winning performance, space, and efficiency vehicle. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, rear spoiler, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.